Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and stylish paper decoration ideas. It's very classy and unique. You guys know I share different paper art decoration ideas like paper art for family, for kids, for animal, and different more pattern ideas. It's very unique and stylish, and I hope you like it. And you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye. See you soon.